Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
This is some ground beef I ground up earlier. There's a couple eggs, some salsa, a flour tortilla, and some cheese. Mike Foster here. Hola. Time for a breakfast burrito. Ground beef, egg. It's gonna be delicious with some salsa. We're gonna call it Mexicano. Guess what? I'm gonna add some lettuce on the finished product. Let's get this going. Meet you at the stove. All right, we're gonna start off with the medium pan and some olive oil. This has been pre-made, so it just needs to be heated up a little. That's enough. A little butter. All right. We just want to get this warmed up, and it is. A little olive oil in anticipation for these 2 pasture-raised eggs. Put those right in there. All right, let's break those eggs up, and we're going to incorporate this whole thing. This is all going to go inside this beautiful breakfast burrito. To this, some pepper, some garlic that's powdered, and some cumin. Now this is where you would add some spice. I'm not going to spice it up. All right, mixy schmixy, get it going. Oh, you can smell those spices. Here's the cheese. Kill it with cheese. All right, incorporate this. When this cheese is melted, I'll show you what I do next. Meet you at the counter. Here's a warmed flour tortilla. Take the breakfast concoction and put that baby right there. Now we're gonna put some nice fresh red salsa all through this baby. Like these. Oh yeah, nice. And these are some fresh greens. Load them up with fresh greens to give it some freshness and crunch. Now, let's see if I can roll this baby up. Bring it in from this side. Bring it in from this side. And roll it up like that. All right. I'll meet you back at the stove to give this guy a little grill mark. All right, just a little oil on the pan. Put this burrito here. All right. We're gonna get both sides browned. All right, let's flip it. There you go. When this other side's brown, we'll serve this baby up. There's the finished product. You can see, a little crisped up, got some salsa to dip it in. Big bite coming up. All right, here's another close-up. Let's see how this baby tastes. You know what's in it. Now it's gonna be in me, as we like to say. Put a little salsa on top of that. Oh. The cumin stands out. The ground beef, those eggs, you can taste it, the cheese. There's a little crunch from the lettuce. All fit in this beautiful tortilla. Great breakfast. Lunch. Have it for dinner. Just check out all my recipes and every other video about life at Live Life 365 at my socials. Till next time, peace. Sweet bubble.
Live life 365.
Enough of that stuff. That's how it works in this family. I don't wanna. All right. I did, Jay. Nice and big. That's what she said. Stuff it right in there. That's what she said. Oh, there's the finished project. Fried it. What stands out? That was a Babu day. No, that's football. Who knows when this will be aired? That's Baba.